Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a K-pop wallpaper on Picsart. So if you're a K-pop fans and you want to change your phone wallpaper into the K-pop wallpaper, I'm going to show you how. So this is my Picsart. I've already opened it, and at the create page, just go to the templates option, and here at the template page, swipe until you find this category or this keyword, this K-pop. Click on that, and then here you can see there are a bunch of template related to K-pop, or K has a K-pop vibe, as I can say, and you just need to click one of them. For example, I want to choose this one. As you can see, this is the template that is provided by the Picsart, and if you want to change this photo into your probably favorite K-pop band or K-pop singer, just click on replace and then click on this plus photo and choose on the photo that you want to edit, you want to add. You can adjust the position just like so. When you're done, just click on save. So I'm going to choose another template. Just go back. Oh, I'm going to choose this one. And again, I'm going to replace the photo. Click on replace, click on this, and then I'm going to choose this. Okay, so you can also add another sticker or etc. Okay, so that is how you can create or make your own K-pop wallpaper. I hope this video will help you, and if you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.